So here's the things about construction. Akala mo ba simpleng bakal lang? Think again. Ang rebars or steel reinforcement ang nagbibigay ng lakas sa concrete. Without it, madaling mag-crack ang structure. May iba't ibang sizes nito. Usually from 10mm hanggang 32mm. Mas makapal, mas kayang magdala ng bigat. May tinatawag rin tayo na grade, like grade 40 at grade 60. Fun fact lang guys, pag mas mataas ang grade, mas matibay at mas stress resistant. Pero hindi pwedeng basta pili ka lang. Kailangan swak sa design para safe at long-lasting ang build. So next time na may makikita kang bakal sa construction, tandaan mo, hindi lang yan basta bakal. Yan ang backbone ng structure. So this is M2Con speaking, from sketch to flex.